Master web development with SkillBakery. Hey everyone! Ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing SkillBakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at SkillBakery.com.
So whenever we are creating a build, you will notice that the build has this number. So every build has a version number. And if you click on this one, here you can see this is the version number that is coming up. Similarly, when you will be publishing your app on Play Store or Apple Store, there also you'll be able to publish it using the version number only. So if you have already published with one version number, you cannot republish the updated APK or IPA file with the same version number. You will have to increment that number or change that build number. And here, if you see in our code, we have this app.json file. And here we have the version number. So this version number needs to be bumped one every time, at least by one. So here we have, let's say, version 1. I can go ahead and change it to version 2 manually. But what if you need to increment this number automatically whenever you are doing a production build? In order to take care of that, all you need to do is go to this EAS.json file, which was generated earlier. And here under production, you can say auto increment and set this value to true. So anytime you will do this EAS build and you do not provide the profile at all, in that case, it's going to use the production build. So here, if I just go ahead and say -- platform equals Android, and I do not specify any profile. In that case, this is going to be for the production, and here let's press enter. It is going to start the build, and here you will notice that it has automatically changed the version from 1 to 2, bumping expo.android.version code from 1 to 2. And whenever you will be looking at the Expo latest build, like over here, if I go to builds for this particular project, now here you can see the version code coming up as 2. So this is the version code that Expo uses over here, and in Play Store you will find it as version 1, version 2, so on and so forth.